What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took a for
Oh my gosh, you guys, today is move out day. This is the last day I will be in this apartment. I went ahead and cleaned it up so they can run me my security deposit. But yeah, you guys, this was my apartment in Orlando. I'll keep you all updated on where I move to next permanently. I'm super excited, but I don't want to talk about it too soon. So this was a 1-bedroom. This was my room. I had like a side closet right here for linen. And then this was my actual closet. Walk-in closet. And then this was the bathroom. Hey you guys, hey, what's up? I cleaned it pretty well, you know. This was the tub, bathroom, all that good stuff. Everything is clean. So oh my gosh. I did a full lease, which was what, 12 months. And you guys, on to bigger and better things. I'm super duper excited. I'm about to go turn in my keys and say goodbye to Orlando for now. But yeah, this was my apartment.
a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spent it on a watch. Hold on.